Today we will be making homemade chocolate chip cookies. You will need baking soda, flour, 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks of butter, sugar, brown sugar, salt, eggs, vanilla extract, and of course, chocolate chips. I like to start with my wet ingredients. So first I'm going to crack 2 eggs. After you do that, make sure you wash your hands. Don't forget to preheat your oven. Preheat it to 375. Start. Next, we're going to melt our butter. You want your butter to be softened so it's easier to mix up. You can put it in the microwave. Start out with 10 seconds and then add more if you need to. Don't let it get too hot or your hot butter will scramble your eggs. They need a little bit longer, so I'm going to put them in for about 7 more seconds. It should look about like this. Pour in your butter. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's okay if it overflows a little bit. Next, we are going to add in our dry ingredients. First, we'll need 2 cups of flour. Don't press the flour down or it will be too much. 1. And 2. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon, which is over here, of baking soda. Next, you'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. If you don't have salt that comes in a bag, you can add about 5 turns of this salt. Next, you will do 3/4 cups of sugar. One, 2, 3. Do the same thing with brown sugar. Make sure you pack the brown sugar down. One, 2, 'And the next step is to mix it. I like to start out with a wooden spoon and then mix it with an electric mixer. Now it's time to hand mix it. Next, you'll add in your chocolate chips. You can add as many as you would like. Then mix it in. It should look like this. Next, you'll want to spray your pan with olive oil. Then start rolling your cookies. I am making mine large. I'm making them about this big. Because my cookies are so big, I'm only doing 6 per pan. Now it's time to put them in the oven. Make sure you have a parent around you so you don't burn yourself. Oh man. Set a timer for 7 minutes. While those are in the oven, I'm going to roll some more. Make sure you spread them apart so when they bake, they don't touch. My second batch is rolled out, and these are looking good. Now we wait. My first batch of cookies aren't quite done yet, and the timer just went off, so I'm going to add, oh my goodness, 3 more minutes. Timer just went off, and it's time to take the cookies out. Good. Now, let those cool. Put those cookies in. Set a timer. I'm gonna do 8 minutes this time, since it took a little longer that time. Whoops. We're gonna put the cookies on a plate so I can start making a third batch. You think these are for you, don't you? These are for the humans. Now it's time to roll out a third batch. Feel free to add more chocolate chips as you go on, just in case if they aren't chocolatey enough. Third batch is rolled, and second batch is almost done. You can keep repeating these steps until you run out of cookie dough, then let your cookies cool and they are ready to eat. Stay creative.